Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So I'll play Sicilian here. Maybe a dragon. Will my opponent know all the theory? I guess they will. Everyone knows everything nowadays. Yep. Reach this position. Oh, maybe that's a bit odd. Not sure. I think bishop h6, rook c3 is interesting. Can I play b5 here or rook c5? b5. Rook c3 here, there's knight g4 after, or knight e4. There's also knight g4, bishop c3. Rook c3 for knight e4, knight g4. Or shall I just play b4? Interesting. I think I don't know. I don't know. I'll play b4. I'll take it on g4 here. I'll try and get this f5 square for c2 if I can get that pawn. The point of getting the pawn, I think, to get that bishop on f5. Go for his king. There's queen c8, queen c7, maybe treble. Oh, no, that doesn't look right. Doesn't look right at all. Bishop takes c3. Surely this doesn't look right. Hang on. Take, I'm going to be winning the queen.
Check.
There's rook d3. Just winning the queen. Yeah. Okay, quite like the dragon sometimes. Good fun. Yeah, so already this is better for black. Yeah, bishop f5. Yeah, that's what I thought. Get this attack on c2. It's destroying attack. Yeah. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.